See that little bridge? Ain't it the cutest little thing ever? Sometimes you'll get a little brook underneath it whenever we get a lot of rain. I know I shouldn't be lying on this picnic table because there are ants crawling on it. And even if ants don't crawl on me, I'm going to feel like they're crawling on me because that's just a nervous tick that I have. Like if I see an ant, I'm just going to assume that it's crawling on me. If I see a spider, I'm going to assume that it's crawling on me. Did I tell y'all about the time that like a spider like this fucking big was crawling on me? It's actually pretty cool though because spiders typically don't do shit like that. I was like, well, that's cool that the spider really likes me and didn't bite me or attack me or anything. It was just really comfortable with me, you know? A typical female would not be okay with that. But I'm a nature-loving gal because I'm a woman of God, and women of God should love our fellow earthly creatures because we're nurturing and compassionate. I wonder if the Amish kill insects, since they have a very pacifistic, non-aggression principle. I'm doing this upcoming comedy show in about a week and a half. I made flyers for it. I'll show you. I like this flyer even more than the last one. It says, Amy Gross presents Amy Gross. I'm not putting anybody on the show. It's just going to be me this time. The more I think about it, I'm like, it should just be you. It should have been you all along. I don't know if anybody's going to come, though. I'm still going to film it. The whole point is doing it regardless. It would actually be better if there was nobody there at all. If I just did it for my stuffed animals, it'd probably be the best show ever.